Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and very good morning. I wish to Madam Zaliza and to my fellow friends. Today I'm here to talk about our presentation mathematics topic vector. Before that, I want to introduce my group member. First is myself. My name is Asnawi bin Yusuf from class DKM1A, matrix number 07 DKM21F1029. Next, Alfred Gentinio, matrix number 07 DKM21F1025. Next, Nur Atira binti Arifudin, matrix number 07 DKM21F1011. And last, Nurul Shakira, matrix number 07 DKM21F1005.
Our content for this presentation is introduction about vector and scalar. Second, why vector and scalar is important. Third, vector and scalar concept. Fourth, magnitude or length, vector formula, and apply scalar dot product of two vector, and lastly is solve vector question. First is introduction of vector and scalar. We come into contact with physical quantities in natural world on daily basis. For example, things like time, mass, weight, force and electric charge, and physical quantities with which we are all familiar. We know that time passes and physical object has mass. Things have weight due to the gravity. We exert force when we open the doors, walk along the street, and kick balls. We experience electric charge directly through static shock in winter and through static shock in winter. Scalar. A scalar is physical quantity that has only magnitude, size. Example, Asnawi buy a tub of margarine which is labeled with a mass of 500 gram. Vector. A vector is physical quantity that has both a magnitude and direction. Example, a car is traveling along a freeway at 100 km per hour.
Now I will present about why vector and scalar is important. Vector have many applications in real life, including situations involving force and velocity. For example, it is used to determine an angle that needed. For example, when a footballer wants to determine the angle that needs to be taken to kick the ball into the goal, it also used to the balance of force acting on the ship crossing the river produce a force in the other direction, both force vectors. So, vector quantity has magnitude and direction, while the scalar has only magnitude. You can find out if a quantity is a vector, it has a direction associated with it. An example of speed and scalar quantity, but velocity is vector quantity that determines direction and magnitude as well. From our research, we have concluded that vectors can be used in many fields such as navigation of aeroplanes, ships, and satellites. They are also used in gen cloning. They are widely used in mechanics, physics, and computer engineering. They are also used IB graphics by creating a smaller and adding them to get a real object. As you can see here, this is magnitude or length vector formula. The question is, the magnitude and length of OA is given by formula 2D and 3D. For solving this kind of question, you need to use the formula that has been given here to find the answer.
Next, apply scalar dot product for two vector. Algebraically, if given vector AO equal to x1i plus y1j and OB equal to x2i plus y2i, then the scalar product for the vector is calculated as OA dot OB equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2. For 2D vector, or OA dot OB equal to x1 x2 plus y1 y2 plus z1 z2 for 3D vector.
Okay, we move to the solve vector equation. Statement: Asnawi is a footballer player from Barcelona club. He was assigned to take a free kick. According to the mathematical calculation, how angles need to be taken while he kicked the free kick or release the defensive wall and score a goal. Okay, as stated in the statement, we need to find the free kick point of view that need to be taken by Asnawi to pass the defense and score a goal. When we will use the formula that my friends explained a moment ago. Given vector OA equal to 4i minus 5j plus 8k and vector OB equal to 8i minus 4k minus 2k. First, we need to make dot product of vector OB and vector OA. So when we calculate OA dot OB is equal to 36. Then insert the number of value on our angle formula. So it's b theta equal to cos reverse 36 over 4 square plus 5 square plus 8 square root. 8 square plus 4 square plus 2 square roots. So when we calculate, we got theta equal to cos reverse 36 over 93.91. After that, solve it with calculator. So theta equal to 67.46 degree. So Asnawi need to kick the ball with So Asnawi need to kick the ball with 67.46 degree angle for release the defensive wall and score a goal.
In conclusion, vectors are very important in everyday life as they facilitate problems in the dimensional geometry and play an important role in science and technology. Effective vectors are used in solve problem although not the best solution but can be applied in our daily life. Our life full of problems and challenges will be easy and convenient if vectors are applied in daily life, especially involving matter of mathematical calculation through vector learning. Our minds will be more open quickly to think in applying it in solving a mathematical problem. In fact, we can also appreciate the importance and beauty of mathematics in the world. That's all from us. Thank you.